Well. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, take profit, stratify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, take profit, stratify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Stratify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah. From
What is up? What is up? What is up? Trade current futures. What is up? Tony Gold, Daryl, Mosh in the house. Amit. You got a day one trade day payout? Let's go. That's awesome. It's Mo, bro. What is going on? What is up? All right. Sign into accounts here. Easy money today, Amit. Let's go. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. Trade 8. Get signed in here. Hey John, who's getting banned tonight? TJP, Tory Trade's husband. What is up? Let's go. Coach Fred. Coach Fred in the house. What is up? Let's see. Trader 007, what's going on? How did everyone do today? You like the YM video? Thank you so much. 120 or 290 away from a $2,000 payout. My biggest day with Apex. PA is 833, so went a little over 30% consistency. Yeah, I just gotta make a little more money. That's all good. A little more money. Felt like slapping myself after trying not once but twice with ADS. It rocketed up. Thankfully, 2 small losses. Yeah. It definitely just ripped higher. Got about 5 minutes before market opens here. Let's see. Let me get... So... Just waiting for a few more people to enter. So I kind of had a rough night trading. I went a little tilty last night before I went to sleep. Ended up smoking my MyFunded Future account. And I ended up grabbing 5 more scale accounts. Got them all to 50%. But man, tilt session continued on. Into the morning, and so tilt can go both ways, right? Tilt can be, you know, you can lose money on tilt and you can make a lot of money on tilt. And you know, I ended up making a lot of money because I was tilty and kind of like, I don't give a shit, and just like sending stuff, and that's kind of what I did to get this account over the buffer. But yeah, so can't sustain that way. Definitely cannot sustain that way. Yo, Miss K, been checking the YM more recently. Saw your video earlier. Nice inside bar this morning. Yeah. So, we could talk about that YM trade. So, the YM, something I've been looking at. I don't necessarily trade inside bars with YM. I'm mainly looking at the Harami candles. So these are the purple ones. And as you see right here, if you guys watch my video, I ended up getting triggered in long here. Kind of rode that puppy up. Which was kind of nice. Ended up taking another long here off this harami. So here's the way I've been trading it. Is anything before noontime, I'm trading on the haramis. So currently forward testing, I got 3 wins and 2 losses. Yesterday it was 2 losses. And 1 win. Today was 2 wins. So kind of forward testing it. Market opens up in about 30 seconds. Good luck, guys. Yo, David, what is up? Corey 2S, Miss K. Corey 2S and Miss K. Are you the same person? I get so confused. Hey, traded 007. Small profits, not a red day. Let's go, Tori. Trades, husband. Been checking the YM. Oh, yeah, I read that. Pray for wisdom. Oh, man, I can't believe it. I was up 3,000 on my BDH. Then I flipped flopping and blew it. Would have been up 19K. And oh, man. Pray for wisdom. Yeah, I blew my BDH as well. I didn't realize that so when they changed the rule from the 5K, market's open, guys. Good luck. When they changed the rule for the 5K, I thought it reset every day. So it's gone. It's gone. Keep an eye on gold as well. Gold, very strong. All-time highs, 4,080, 81 actually. Yeah, very strong. AMD keeps going. How hard can it be? Yeah, right. Guess your way in, guess your way out. Yeah, I know. We all do. I got cooked watching streamers. Too many tickers and charts. If I had to, yeah, Nate, I hear you. Yeah, I don't watch anyone in the morning really. I just usually am either done trading or I'm in a trade and it's just like with bracket, and I'll just kind of like troll the chat or something. But yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I know. That's why I went on tilt last night, Red. I blew all my accounts. No. I watch you when I'm in bed. If you know what I'm saying. Jay Styles. Traded 007. Yeah, HBO Late Night. That's right. Taxi Cab Confessions. Gold pushing down. So yeah, quite the trend day on Nasdaq. Basically just bull flag after bull flag after bull flag. You can just see right here. So on the 5-minute chart, you see this bull flag here. Why is that so big? Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. I mean, just insane. Smash the like button. We are going to do a giveaway today. Let me see. I'm going to get that fired up here. Alright, we'll start the giveaway. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. If you're over on the mobile side, you have to be over on the other side. You're buying the gold dip? Ah, I'm scared. Gold beat me up so bad last night. I'm just gonna stay away for now. Check the Discord. Do that. Wait, Martin Luther King Sr. What is up? Is that super trend? I'm not sure what you're referring to, but could be. Oh, nice, Fred. Yeah. If you guys haven't joined the Discord yet, got some savage traders in there. Oh, the indicator? No. It is... Oops. I did not want to do that. No. This indicator right here, this is just the VWAP. And these candles right here are inside bars and Harami candles. That's it. Thank you so much for the sub, Ian Berry. Thank you so much. So I'm giving away some an Apex account, any size Apex account. Thank you, Apex. That's right, Tory Trey's tan line. Smash that like button. Don't be shy. Nasdaq looking like it wants to continue higher. Will it break this bull flag again and keep going high, keep pumping higher? Oh, thank you, Ian. Appreciate you. Gold is scary right now. I went long and took it off at 4K. Gold looking like it wants to push down here. See if gold actually pushes down. Gold's due for a pullback. The whole market's due for a pullback, but who knows? Gold just refuses to quit. Kind of looking at the same pattern as earlier today. Do we continue higher? Going long at 40.50 if we get there, Nick. Nice. Good luck. Trump announces Israel. Oh, got Trump news coming? Yeah, good. Shameless new highs, design says. Yeah, just keep pumping. You didn't get a trade in today? Hey, red candles, you know what? Sitting on 16K without a trade, you might win. People keep blowing up. Mine is gone. I didn't realize that the 5K trailed. Because I ended Tuesday. I ended with a loss, right? 4,900. I was like, oh, I'm going to stop myself out just before. I'm going to go long here. Basically, break up this bull flag. Target the highs. High of today. I don't like that rejection. Quite a bit of spread tonight on the Nasdaq. I probably should have done this with micros. I mean, Nasdaq pretty much finishing on its high, so. So I got a mental stop down below the VWAP if we slip down below that, but besides that, I'm gonna try to hold on to this. Okay, Dean, awesome. Ian. Long gold. Oof, gold. Wow, look at that rug pull on gold. Alright, still in this Nasdaq. I'm gonna focus on this Nasdaq trade here. Yeah, gold is moving. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chat. I'm just trying to focus on this trade here. These are my funded futures scale accounts. These are the ones that are a lot like the top steps. So you can withdraw 50% of your profits once you're funded, and you only need 5 days of $100 or more, up to $6,000 payout. So each. So hypothetically, if you make $12,000 on one of these accounts, you can withdraw $6,000. 80%, 80-20 profit split. But see if we can actually breach that high. Yeah, that's how I feel all the time, Fred, on gold. I can make a lot of money, but then I'm like, whew, got a little lucky. Come on, pop that high. Let's short squeeze this. I think we can actually get a nice pop. Might actually go for 10 points on this. Go for 69.50. Let's see. I think if we get through 64.50, I think it'll get a little squeeze, especially if we get pop the today's high, or yesterday's high, I should say. 64.75. Looking strong. There's the pop through. See if we can get a little squeeze now. No momentum. No momentum on that. Boy, look at this spread. It's just nasty. New all-time highs. Just no momentum though. Wow, what a rug pull there. See if we can hold above this VWAP. You got a full port long for the stream? Good luck, JC Trades. What's gold doing? Oh, wow. What a pull, what a rug pull on gold. Just ran a bunch of stops there. Yo, Darkside, what is up? Yeah, I'm in a standing desk, Martin. Yeah. Yeah, standing desk. Do I trade ICT? No, not really. No. Bull flags, bear flags, inside bars. Things like that. You're shorting gold, TJP? Good luck. Tiny Paws, thank you so much for the sub. Unbelievable. Take quick scalps on gold. Yeah, up 180. Nice. Dreading gold feels like swimming in the ocean when it's windy. Big waves. Yeah. Sure. Let me see here. Got an outside bar on Nasdaq. I'm gonna. Damn it. I might get out of this break even if it don't pump here. And maybe I'll get a little lucky. Trailing my stop. Alright, I'm out. So small green. Put in this outside bar. I'm just gonna wait to see what happens here. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. Gray intersection. What is up? Keeson. Ty Gordon. You just shorted the Q. Small entry. We'll scale in. Oh, let's go. Nice. The old Qs. Yeah, smash the like button, guys. Let's get the likes up. I'm going to do a giveaway tonight. I'm going to give away a free account. It's for an Apex account. Thank you, Apex, for giving me some accounts to give away. Trev, what is up, Trev? If you guys are over on the mobile side, come over to the other side and do the giveaway if you want. Gold is for action is right now. Yeah, it's where it's at, right? It's where everyone wants the gold. Inside bar on gold. Maybe I'll try it with some micros. Let's see, 5 accounts, 10, 20. We'll do 15. We'll do 3 micros. Gold's absolutely wild. That's why you switched to Rooster. Oh, tops. I was like, switch to Rooster. I'm like, is that another new prop? Yeah, I don't blame you. Comediat. I can't pronounce your name. Gold looking like it's gonna sell off. Strong close at highs. Might be something. Yeah. I think so, Trev. I think Nasdaq closing on its high is pretty bullish. Like, I mean, trend day pretty bullish. Guys, I'll be right back. 1 second. It is hot. I gotta turn on the AC. Hey, I'm back. Yeah, it's just really hot in this room. All right, I gotta put Nasdaq up on the other side. I mean, gold up on the other screen here, so I can watch it. Let's see. Gold inside bar formed. It's starting to break it, but man, this is kind of a textbook bear flag, so I don't know. I'm gonna go 15 micros. Exclamation point Pine, that's to enter the giveaway. What's up, Honest Take? I know. It is crazy, right? Do I only trade Asia? No. I only stream during Asia. I actually trade during New York mostly. Yep. We hang out this time, sling some contracts, talk about what happened in the market, see how everyone did, things like that. Thank you, Miss K. Yeah, smash that like button. Thank you. Mobile side and the full screen side. Back on Nasdaq. Kind of feel like I want to get back in that trade, but we'll see. Do we get a pop of the high? Well, there goes my trade of 8 resetting. That's always fine when you're in the middle of a trade, you know, when it resets. So it's pretty much just putting in the same pattern all morning. So it doesn't look like a good place to short. But it definitely has zero momentum at the moment. Got about a 26-point range on the Nasdaq. Gold just kind of sitting there at the VWAP, 4,045, just hanging out. You pulled a 3K long that I was in all day on ES. Let's go, Indian burn. Way to hold it. Way to diamond hand it. So tough to hold on to those trades. Congratulations. Do you build buffers on my fund future score, or is the core different from the starters? So the core is a little different from the starters. What the difference is, there's no consistency anymore. J Styles. So on the core accounts, there's no consistency. There's $1,000 max payout, and there's consistency on the evaluation now. So Rocket Scooter didn't? Yeah, no, he didn't. I guess he said he wasn't going to trade it. How many trades do I take when I'm not on tilt? Usually like 10 a day, across multiple accounts, Donna. So like if I'm trading like my funded futures, I might make 2 or 3 trades. And then if I'm trading, and then I'll switch to like take profit trader, I'll make like 2 or 3 trades, and then so on. You know, those are usually pretty good days. But last night I was tilty. Holy moly. Smashing buttons. Completely lost control. Let's get a candle close above Nas. Come on. Let's go, Captain Clutch. Come on, let's get it. Trev, if you guys are in the same trade, let's go. Crazy T. Thank you so much for the sub. Taking 10 trades while you were explaining how many trades. Oh, yeah. Ty Gordon. Yeah. I have days like that. Or, I mean, that might be your style. You might be, you know, you scalp tick charts or 15-second charts or even the 1 minute. It all makes money, right? Cooled 86, what's going on? What is up? That's a good point, honest take. That is very good point. So the full moon does affect my sleep, and I don't sleep it very well. I knew it a few nights ago. I was kind of restless. And it's usually the days leading up to the full moon. Now, don't come after me. Like, I'm not getting all crazy. I don't have crystals on my desk, and I'm not gonna do all this stuff. But yeah, no, the full moon definitely affects my sleep. Miles Bowdler, Nihil, what is up? Thank you so much for the subs. 7 in the house. Want to trigger those stops? If not, it'll be a fake out. Yeah, for sure. Back at the VWAP. Oh, really? In Mo, bro? So, yeah, I mean, I know it does affect, because when it comes to, like, hunting and fishing, which I do, like, it definitely affects that stuff. Fine about to give a tarot reading. Yeah, right. Jalen Washington, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. What is going on? Guys, we are approaching 4,000 subs. How amazing is that? Seems like yesterday we were celebrating 1,000. Nihil, I did do well today with an asterisk. So I went tilty last night. I blew my MyFunded Future accounts that I was up $3,400 in a MyFunded Future Pro account, looking to build a buffer, and ended up blowing the account. I mean, all I had to do was wait like 10 more days and just flip a day. Would have got a payout, but I figured, hey, I'm gonna build up a buffer, and we'll see if we can build that sucker up, possibly take it live. So the tilt ended up kept going. I ended up making $5,200 on this Take Profit Trader Pro account, and so I got a daily payout coming. But you know, like I said, there's with an asterisk, right? Because it wasn't overall a very good day. So, but hopefully we can keep the daily payouts coming with that $4,500 buffer with the Pro account, and that'll be great. I blew the BDH account, the tournament, and I'm currently waiting on my Trade Day Affiliate Cup reset for Sunday. So, is Tradeovate my main trading platform? Yes. Tradeovate and Project X. I wear lipstick on a full moon, stare at late at night, cry silently. Trev, let's go. Yeah, it does affect me a little bit. Club Pine going up on Wednesday. Look at this. Paper handed this trade here. Looks like the longs might get paid here. Just trying to break through the highs, making new session highs. Barely. Not much momentum, but that's okay. It could just keep grinding higher until Tokyo. So I could just hop in with some micros. And see. Break of this bull flag. Inside bars. So I'm in just some micros. And let's just see. Might just ride it up. If we just continue the slow grind trend, then I want to be a part of it. But I don't want to like just go in full port with a mini and then just have it pull back right now and then just rip my face off. So, because I am, you know, longing the top of this little consolidation range, but it just feels bullish. I mean, you just see like there's no reversal in any of this yet. So, is Asian back open tonight? I don't know. I think it is, right? Isn't it back tomorrow? All right, yeah. Guess it's not open till tomorrow again. So another boring night, probably. Hey, Thomas K, what is up? The price action is whack. Yeah, I agree. So just crazy trend days, right? These slow grinding trend days. Get a bear flag on gold. Does look like, yeah, this does look like a nice bear flag break. Close your eyes, design. I might short gold. Short gold. Woof. Thank you for the call out there. 7. Just leave me your PayPal. I'll send you some money. I'm just kidding. I can't. I spent it all on evals last night. Took off a few on the gold. Still long Nasdaq. Nice. Look at that. Closing this Nasdaq. Watching gold. We'll take that. We'll take that with the micros. See what it does here. Just a textbook bear flag break right there. I got this cool drawing tool, huh? Check this out. Draw things. Down. Nice call, TJP. You're gonna sound like SK. Did you guys get that? Did you guys get that? Oh, long here, gold. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, did you guys get that? Went up 2 ticks. You guys get that? All right, let's go. Nah, he's doing his thing. He's doing his thing. All right, nice push up here. Getting a little bounce. Nice cover there. I like that cover. See money, take money on the gold. I get nervous. I never know what to look for. When I start getting like a few points on the gold, I start exiting. I guess that's what's nice about trading micros with gold, is that you can scale in and scale out. Nasdaq continuing to push higher. Probably should have just held on to that Nasdaq trade too, but I got a little nervous. I just wanted to watch that gold trade. Kabooshed! Yeah, that's right. 79 trades later. Oh, how did you miss that? Yeah. How did you miss that? Give me a call. Give me a call. Here's my cell phone number. Hey, has anyone called that number? I want to know what it's about. Is it real? Zach, what is going on? Yeah, design for sure. Poor Hugo. Hey, I was saying poor Denny the other day. Denny looked like he was getting beaten down. It was just like the look on Denny's face was just like, I was like, poor Denny. He really does answer, no kidding. He loves it. He loves this stuff. That's awesome. I'm gonna call him and ask him if he wants to use my Amazon affiliate code to buy more screens. I'll be rich. Fiber splice, let's go. Singles and doubles, yeah. Poor Denny's DM. I like them guys. I like them guys over at My Fun and Futures. They're good people. Like, they've treated me well. I gotta get back on that show. Some U.S. shirts, yeah. Reminds me of Mike Jones. Yeah, give everyone his number in his songs. That's funny. Yeah. You just have to abandon everything you know as far as trading. Seriously, yeah. Absolutely. Too much stuff. I mean, he does have like some things where he trades like he trades bull and bear flags, right? 1-900 cabooshed. I mean, he trades bull and bear flags, which is cool. But then he uses a bunch of the indicators and stuff as well, which is fine, but not my style. Paul, yeah. Costco 10-pack of screens. Oh man, that dude, I think he's cut him down, but boy, he's had like someone knows in the chat, like 50 something screens or 70 screens. Insane. And the insane thing is that he does it all day. Like, he literally does it all day long. Yeah, he's glowing from the radiation. Yeah, no kidding, John. He's down to 46 screens. So awesome. Yeah, he's a character. I just remember him being quite the character just on the Patrick Whelan interview back in the day. I think that was one of the first videos I ever saw Patrick do. Gold. Kind of consolidating really inside this giant 5-minute candle on that push down. Consolidating about 50% mark. Possible another bull flag here. Bear flag, I mean. We'll see. What else can I do with this thing? Hold shift to draw vertical and horizontal diagonal. Hold shift. Ooh. Look at that. That's fun. New toys. Draw circles. This is gonna be my new. I'm gonna patent this. This is gonna be the new box. This is gonna be the Pine Tree Trader box. The circle. If it breaks out of the circle. All right, Nasdaq making new session highs, just kind of grinding higher. YM doing nothing, just sideways. So this is why I don't trade YM during the stream during Globex. I only trade it during New York. So I thought I was gonna get stopped out on this trade today. I really thought I was gonna get stopped out. It was close. I go, man. I go, for real? But then it found support and then just took off. This Harami worked, this Harami worked. This one, 1-to-1. Let's check out this, see if this worked here. Wrong tool. I don't usually trade it this time, but technically it's pretty close to working. Might have not worked, but man, it was close. This one would have worked. Second one. And then nothing. Outside bar. But nothing after that. This one will work. Every single harami candle almost pretty much worked. This one's questionable though. It looked like it was like by the tick on YM. So yeah, it's just a little strat that I'm developing on the YM. I might just trade it on one account, just like dedicate the account and just trade it. We'll see. Yeah, Brandon, for sure. New invention circles are actually boxes. Let's see. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Coach Carter, anyone all-time greatest movies? Jay Dunn has his sales pitch tonight. Oh boy. Cody, what is going on? Cody, I blew it up. So I guess I didn't understand the rules of the BDH tournament. So the way I understood it was that the drawdown reset every day at 5K, so it didn't really matter how much you were up, but it still reset at 5K, so you got a fresh 5K to work with every day. So I ended up on day 2, I ended up being up by like 25K, and then I ended up dropping down till, I don't know, like 12K or something like that. But I was down $4,900, but I left myself $100 because I didn't want to blow it. And then I figured the next day, which would have been today, or Wednesday, I figured I'd get a fresh $5,000 to work with. But that wasn't the case. I had $100 to work with, and at that point, I was just like, no coming back from that. Just try to win it. If you ain't first, you're last on that. He responded to me personally when he gave me the free stuff. Oh, nice Yoda trades. Hey, if he's helping you out trading, I got nothing against him. We're just having fun, you know. It's all good. Just having fun. The dude has tons of experience, so. The old nor'easter hitting? Oh boy. Right behind Methodical Man. Nice. Laughter. Alright, Nasdaq just kind of cruising higher. We're up 117 across 118 pretty much. Across 5 accounts. Oak tree, birch tree. Alpine, what's up? Martin AP. We like Alpine. We like Alpine here. Taylor, what is up? Sorry if I missed your chat, guys. I've been doing a lot of trading. Ahmed, what is going on? Yeah, he's definitely married to the chart. Like, he does not leave. There all day, all night. Like I said, gold kind of putting in another bear flag here. Could actually break. Starting to break down now. Kind of lost its oomph. I don't know. I mean, it feels heavy, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay out of this one. It could go. Tim Korth, what is up? 44 the Punisher, what's up? Are those funded accounts? These are not. No, these are evals. I went a little tilty last night, Taylor. I blew all my funded future accounts. Yeah, the only bright spot today was Take Profit Pro account up $5,200 on the Pro. So timed out, Scotty G. Yeah, not a good idea to. It's all good. You just gotta ease with the chat, the spam in the chat. It's all good. Talk about the giveaway, Punisher. Your options paid. Let's go, Scotty G. Congratulations. Awesome. Yeah, I was in a gold short here, but we are out. So I think I'm just gonna hold off on that. Oh, no problem, Tim. Yeah, any questions? If you guys have any questions with Trade-of-8 or strats or prop firms, I'll try to answer. Just let me know. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, and we'll do a giveaway about 7:45 Eastern. It's about 45 minutes or so. Usually do it at the end of the stream. Apologize for the people that are over in Europe and it's getting late, but oh really? Honest take? Is that what's going on? Market's not really reacting though. I have a question. No, Fred, you have to answer the questions. SJ with the 50. What is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Investars, how's it going, Investars? How you doing? What's my average? What's your average win rate? Oh, the PW account? Oh, it's gone. Yeah. Yeah, I'm over the tournament stuff. I will do the Ninja Trader tournament, but yeah, I'm taking a break on that stuff. It's definitely affecting my my real life trading. Trading on tilt. What is up? The shortcut to draw the line. So the one I was just using is a called Epic Pen, but it's to draw shortcuts. All you do is go preferences, go down to hotkeys, so you edit hotkeys, go to chart. Probably can't see this on the mobile side. Apologize for that, but go to chart. And then you go scroll down till you see draw line. You can pretty much hotkey everything, but you draw a line, and I just use Shift A. So if I reset it here, you just click on draw a line, and then I do Shift A, and then let go, and that's how you do hotkeys. So if you want to do fibs, Shift S, rectangle, Shift Z if you want to draw your boxes. Boxes to make millions, you do that. And yeah. But yeah, there's so many like you can do hotkeys for everything. You can do hotkeys for orders, whatever, you can just do that. SJ with 50, what firms am I trading with right now? Currently, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day. Those are the accounts I have currently. Yeah, I'm waiting to get rebuild on some Bulenox 90% off. I'll get some of those again. And then I'm also waiting for Apex to do their 90% off so I can do some of theirs too. And then but I also trade with Tradeify as well. I trade with Top Step. But yeah, those are the ones I trade with right now. But yeah, my main ones currently are Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures. I really like getting those daily payouts. Like today, I'm gonna get a daily payout of about, I mean, not that much, but about $600 So it's something, right? In Trade Day, I struggle passing those evals. Turbo Bart, what is up? Big K. Why didn't they push Top Step? Yeah, just because of that. They don't give away. They basically told affiliates to just hit the curb. So yeah, you're not gonna see anybody talk about Top Step. But I mean, I talk about them. I mean, I say I trade with them. I mean, it's the first thing that, if you go on my Twitter, it's the first thing that pops up. Funded Next, I currently don't have any accounts with, but I do have codes with pretty much everyone. I mean, I am an affiliate whore too, so if you guys are using code PINE for any of these props, and just, just a quick way to help support the channel, I appreciate it. But yeah, most props I do have a code with, so 16,200,000 shares of MU. Have you gotten a payout with Trade Day already? Their payout system looks a bit weird. Yes, I did, JVal. I actually have a video on it. If you want to check out my videos, I actually have a video on Trade Day payout. Prop firms offer daily payouts. If you want to design my website, I'll tell you. I'm just kidding. Trade Day and Take Profit Trader are the ones I like. So Take Profit Trader, I'll pull it up right here. So this account right here is a 50K account. So anything over 4,500 bucks, I can take a daily payout. So I'll take that amount today, and we'll do it on a 50K. Look at that bear flag on gold, just breaking down. There it goes, guys. The great website is currently like the look of. Yeah, I like the I think Patrick's is pretty good. But yeah, I just gotta do something. I gotta do something where I just like have it simple, but like have all my codes there. I'd like to do like a tier list, maybe something like that. Simple stuff. Here it goes, breaking down gold. Fast track trading site, yeah. Yeah, gold finally pushing down. Nasdaq pushing up higher. But yeah, anything over 50K, anything over $2,000 on a Take Profit Trader Pro account or a trade day. Trade day and Take Profit Trader pretty much work the same. You can take daily payouts. So let's just say you make $52,500, you take a $500 payout. And then the next day you make $500, take a $500 payout. You know, that's how it works. It's pretty sweet. Oh, cool, J-Val. How long does it take to pay out on my funded futures? 2 seconds. I'm not making a joke. Yeah, I've done it live. Actually, let's see. Do I have any videos on it? It literally takes 2 seconds. It's crazy. I've done it live a few times. Literally 2 seconds into my bank account. But I've also had a few payouts too. So your first payout with my funded futures might take a while. But just because it's your first payout. But yeah, once you get established, I mean, it is fast. Yeah, right here. I'll pull it up. Real quick. Requesting $1,000. Payout complete. $800. All right. Requesting $1,000. It's that quack. Is that fast? That quack. That fast. Gold. Yeah, gold is out tanking. Yeah, no, as soon as I walk away, it's just dumping. These ones right here are evals, Kevin. Yeah, no, I blew all my accounts last night. Yeah, I actually blew all my My Future accounts last night. I should say. What percentage do they take? You know, TJP, I think it's 90%. Let me double check that. Oh, it's keep the first 10,000, 90% after that. Oh, maybe it's tiered. So, it says keep the first 10,000. Oh, that's weird. Get two different answers. They must have changed this. So what I'm reading right now is 80% on the first 50K of profits withdrawn, 90% on the profits between 50K and 100K, and 95% on profits withdrawn 100K. But you can withdraw into the buffer at any time, but it's a 50% split. Wow, you guys are going off today. I gotta catch up on the stream. Turbo Bart, thanks so much for the sub. Nasdaq continuing to grind higher. Does My Funny Future require background checks? No. Not that I know of. I don't remember them. Not unless you're working for them. Thumper, what is up? Thought I would trade some sim, but traded that eval heavy. Oh, nice go, Thumper. Yeah, Thumper trades micros, which is sweet. Nice bounce on gold. It is cheap. Yeah, so Trade Day is cheaper than Take Profit Trader, guys. If you guys want to try out Trade Day, they also have Project X. So if you guys are Project X traders, Trade Day has Project X. So get day one payouts. And use code PINE with a capital P for Trade Day. Oh, nice Trader J. The first time it was like 15 minutes on first payout and then 2 minutes after that. Yeah, it's great. I mean, they take the money out so fast you can just trade it again that night. So, oh, thank you, Trader J. Yeah, it depends on the account type, Trade Day, but yeah, it is a little bit cheaper. The only thing that kind of sucks, TJP, is the trade. So the main difference is Trade Day is 30% consistency through the eval. So the evaluation process is 30%. But they also have end of day accounts and they have static accounts. So Take Profit Trader is, you know, where it's end of day account for the eval and then intraday during the funded stage. The giveaway is in about 30 minutes. How much is Trade Day? Market Nasdaq just grinding higher. Gold. Oof. Gold's moving. So if you're a gold trader, tonight's the night for you. So here's the prices. I don't like this screen. Hold on. This is a different one. Bear with me. I like this one better. So, different prices. So, intraday trailing is $69 for a 50K, $140 for the 100K, and $210 for 150K. End of day accounts. So end of day drawdown is $115. So the end of day accounts are a little more money. The static accounts are $105, but you don't get much drawdown, so just keep that in mind with the statics. But they have static X. Remember them guys? Static X. They have Trade Day X too. So they get Ninja Trader. What is this? Is that Trading View or then Jigsaw, Ninja Trader, Trade of 8, or Static or Trade Day X. So the intraday accounts are $69. No activation fees either on any of those accounts. So use code PINE with a capital P. Oh, Niron, sorry, I think I missed your chat there. So you take profits the best for. It's one of my favorite firms. So the reason why I like Take Profit Trader, they give you lots of reward points. You are able to reset your pro accounts, and then the daily payouts. I do love that. So yeah. You pro account. You where I mean. Made 3,500. You weren't able to withdraw because what's the buffer on 100K account? You should have been able to withdraw 500, right? Or 75K account. I don't remember what the buffer is on it. Back to Nasdaq is just taking off. So kind of how like what we said earlier, it's like it feels like we're just gonna keep going and kind of slow grind up. That's what it's doing. I know that's hindsight talk, furu talk, but I mean, it just feels light with volume and has no reason to. There's no catalyst to push it down at the moment, right? You weren't able to withdraw. That's weird. I wonder why. Was there a reason why, Nyron? I've never had an issue personally, but whenever I long at the open, it blows up. I was hoping for a dip. Yeah, J-Bow for sure. Was it news ever? I don't think so. On gold, I don't think there was really news related. I think it was just simply. So oftentimes gold will crack all-time highs, and then you'll get a pullback for a few days. Oh, huh, that's weird, Nyron. Blank, thank you so much for the sub. Hey Sherry, what is up? JD54 in the house. What platform is this? 7? This is Trade of 8. Does Trade Day allow news trading? I don't think so. Not for the funded accounts. But I'll look. Yeah, no tier 1 news. Gotta have all open positions 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after, I believe. Hey, Ben T, what is up? Yeah, I'm only streaming on YouTube, Nyron. There's a link to the top of the chat. I have a full screen going on the other channel, so I'm streaming the YouTube Shorts and the full screen at the same time. Nice, Trav. Nice trade. Beautiful. Headed to 25,400 now. Nasdaq all-time highs. Just ripping faces off. Unbelievable. Which account is similar to Top Step? Good question, Big Cat Futures. Right there on the top of this stream, My Funded Futures. Scale account. Right now, you add the free Flex add-on. It is the same thing as Top Step, except cheaper. It's $127 all in, right? It's even better though. You only have to trade for 5 days and make $100 or more, and you can take out 50% of your profits, up to $6,000. So if you make $12,000, you can take $6,000 out max, but you can just, you know, do that every 5 days if $100 or more. My Funded Future Scale Plan. It is kind of like the Top Step killer right now. Top Step's going to cost you about $200. This is $127 all in. The evaluation is the same. All right. So it's $3,000 on a 50K account, 50% consistency. But yeah. Price action makes you nervous? Yeah. My affiliate funded next. I have a link for Punisher, but I don't have a code. They won't give me a code. Yeah, I'm not part of the cool kids with them. Yeah, just use code PINE, guys, if you want to grab a My Funded Futures account. I appreciate it. But yeah, great. You can have up to 5 accounts, Big Cat. That's what I'm working on right now. Scale accounts. I got 5 of them right now. So these are essentially just like Top Step. But make sure you guys click the free Flex add-on. That's very important. The free Flex add-on. Thank you, Punisher. Appreciate you. What do I trade? I trade Nasdaq and YM futures and gold futures. Been trading for a year. Let's go. Let's go, Ben. My advice, people are wondering about things. Yeah, Trev likes to use the ATR, so that's the average true range. The ATR is at 20 currently. It means it's moving 20 points for the last 14 candles or 10 candles, depending on what you set it on. So, yeah, that gives you a good idea, like, you know, when to kind of take profits, things like that. So, if the ATR gets really, really low, that means the market's probably just kind of going sideways, right? So. What is SMP? I'm not really sure. What is SMP? What's my strategy during the day? So my strategy during the day is inside bars, harami candles, bull and bear flag breaks, and outside bars. That's pretty much on the 5-minute chart. That's pretty much what I trade. So I trade inside bars. I trade the first inside bar of the New York session. So you can see today it actually worked. What I do is I take a break. I take a break of it, stop goes below, and then I look for 1-to-1 or 20 points. That's the first inside bar. Then I trade the inside bars, but I get a little more discretionary on the take profits. So I generally try to look for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. On YM, I actually trade harami candles. So I actually don't even trade the inside bars on YM. I'll trade the haramis. How did I blow up yesterday? Trading gold last night on tilt, not following strategy and just smashing buttons. Yeah, so that's how I... Oh, music echoing? Sorry. That should fix it right there. Bro, I need some advice as I handle about 50k props for people that is buy the account. Yeah, it's called post-payout degenerate syndrome. Ben T. Post-payout degenerate syndrome. Happens to everyone. Sometimes money prints. S&P. No, it's tough, right? So I do the same thing. It's psychologically what it is. It's self-sabotage, right? That's kind of how I look at it. It's kind of like a self-sabotage. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I still try to work on that myself. It's tough. I think part of it too, like for me, it's discretionary trading. Like someone just asked, how did I blow up my account? It's because I was discretionary trading. I was like, I think it's gonna go up, I think it's gonna go down, and then I'm smashing buttons and holding on to losers and doing everything that causes you to blow up instead of staying with the system. So it's just like, it doesn't really matter what you trade for a system. If you trade ICT, if you trade, ATRs, SMTs, it doesn't really matter, right? It's just, you have to stick with your system. As soon as you start going off the rails, like I was last night, and adding to losing trades, just old habits, old habits die hard. I try to get better and better and better, and it's like I get sick of it. I get sick of doing that stuff. I get sick of hamster wheeling accounts. I get a few nice payouts of my funded future last week. What did I get, guys? Like $5,000-$6,000 in payouts last week, and then I just go and I nuked all of my funded future accounts. After I was up $3,400 on a pro account in 3 days, and then all I needed to do was flip for one more day, wait 14 days, and then took a payout. I don't know why I do it. I don't know what gets to me. Right now I'm blaming it on the full moon, but but yeah, Chris Campbell, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. I have no idea, Nate. Phidias actually reached out to me. I got an email from them. I'm gonna have to give them a talk. Do I trade with Apex? I do. Yeah, I do trade with Apex. I currently Don't have any accounts with them right now. My very first payouts ever came from Apex. So, and exclamation point Pine in the other screen. So the full screen, we're gonna give away an Apex account. But yeah, if you guys want to use Apex, use code Pine. Bulanox, use code Pine. It's totally a full moon, Crypto King. I agree. Sub-Zero, what's up going on? So Nasdaq's continuing to grind higher. I'm not really seeing much trades. Sorry, guys. Gold has been where it's at. I probably should have just been focusing on some gold. The inside bars and haramis are working really well on gold at the moment. So when there's a fair amount of volume with gold, inside bars and haramis do work pretty well. Outside bars as well. But so you can just take the triggers there. Anyways, been there. Yeah, Michael, for sure. Alex Ritter closing in on their first funded payout ever with Apex. Let's go. Trading for 5 years. Not sure if I should build a buffer, take 2K, or just aim for $500. Really torn, to be honest. Well, I can't give you financial advice, Alex Ritter, but if it was me and this is my very first payout, I would take it. I think the rest of the chat would agree, right? It took me over 3.5 years to get my first payout, and I got it with Apex, and I took it. And I blew the account right after, but I took it. Congratulations. Let's so awesome. Yeah, thank you, Trav. I appreciate that, man. Started calling that payout fever. Alfred, yeah, when you're riding high from a payout, a big profit day, and then you let your guard down, then you take careless trades. 100%. That's exactly it. And I think part of it this week too is I've been trading that the competition accounts with big size, and that's kind of affected me a little bit. I started over leveraging big time last night. For everything, use code Pine. That's right. If you go on Feet Finder and use code Pine, you get Cove Traders feet picks. I don't know. That's what I heard. I lost 2 TPT Pro accounts trying to short this, Adam. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, the chat says take it. Take the payout. Pay yourself. That's right. Jack Boom, how do you make the harami candles? Okay. Let's see. So, haramis right here. Ed of the Woods harami. EOTW harami. This is one of our subscribers that made this indicator. Pretty awesome. Haven't seen him in a while. Psychologically, the first payout was pretty profound despite the price. Yeah, Trev. The very first payout I took, I remember getting very anxious about it. Like, I was almost nervous about it. Like, anxiety about it. I was just like, oh my god, I can't believe it. I finally did it. I finally did it. Crypto King. Oh, thank you, Alex. Really been following me a while. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, welcome to the chat. Sasha says, like, do something nice with the payout, like, you know, treat yourself, like go to dinner or do something nice. And I agree, Sasha, I agree. I actually took my payout and I went to Universal Studios in Florida. No joke. For 4 days. I did well. I made 60K on the beacon and tried to do the same on the 150K. Blew it up. I was shorting too early. Yeah, so Alfred, this, like I said, I made $5,200 on a pro account today, but it's like with an asterisk because like I was still tilting from the night before, and so I was in like, I started with 1 mini on YM, and I ended up being in like 10. Like adding to the winner, but I was like really pushing it quick. So yeah, I can't sustain that tomorrow. Like I can't. I gotta calm down. So like after stream right now, like I am like done. How many payouts this year? I don't even know, Kevin B. I haven't even. I don't even know. I'm well over probably 100,000 this year, but I don't know what my expenses are. So I'm doing okay. Doing okay. I actually don't keep track like I should. I have goals though. I really like to have goals. I mean, like someone like Nutty and Alpine and these guys that can get 300,000-400,000 a year in payouts, like that's like my goals. And then keeping your expenses to, you know, 50 to 100. Like that would be a good goal to have. Nutty Bar is actually an inspiration of mine where, you know, he was like very consistently holding on to his accounts for a long time. Recently he sized up, and I think it's affected him a little bit more, but he's talked about it in his recent video how he's going to size back down and just kind of like grind him a little bit longer like he was doing before. And yeah, save some for lobster money. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, no, BDH Kevin is completely like just send it, full port sending it. Yeah, $1 million a year, but in affiliates, probably. Yeah, Kevin, for sure. I don't know. Patrick's making $1 million a month in affiliates. Crazy. Do I copy trade accounts? So I copy trade within the firms. So if I have funded accounts, I'll copy trades. Like if I had my funded future accounts, I don't use a full copy trader though. The only ones that I really struggle copy trading is like with Take Profit Trader for those daily payouts. That could be a struggle. Did I take a trade? Yeah. I took a few trades. Took a Nasdaq trade. Let's check it out. Let's go. Show my fills. So we took a Nasdaq trade, a quick one, basically off this bull flag break, a little pop, and then we went over to gold and had this beautiful bear flag break, and we took the short off that with just micros, and that's pretty much it tonight so far. $2 million a month affiliates? Maybe. Yeah, I know he makes. Well, he says he makes $1 million. I don't know because he's announced that a bunch of times, but yeah, it's crazy. 150Ks. I like 150Ks. I mean, I used to trade 150Ks a lot. Apex, I used to trade the 150K Apexes a lot. Yeah, that's when I first started getting payouts. First payouts I ever got were with 50K Apex accounts. I had 2 of them, copy trading, and it was 4,000 bucks. That was my very first payout. And then I had 2 50Ks and then 2 150Ks, and I was getting payouts with those 150Ks as well. And it was whatever. I don't remember what the payouts were with those. What are they? 227.50, I think, was the max payout on a 150K, something like that. So I was getting those times 2, and that's kind of what started out the payout thing. Thought on ES right now? Oof. I barely look at ES, but yeah. I definitely, I don't pay much attention to ES, to be honest with you, Tim, but I keep an eye on it when I'm trading throughout the day. I mostly look at TPO charts. Where's my... So I look at TPO charts with ES. But yeah, I mean, ES is just at all-time highs again as well, so I don't know. It's really tough to analyze all-time highs when we're just, you know, keep pushing higher and higher and higher. Alfred says I made 16K on a BDH and tried to do the same on 115, blew it up. I was shorting too early and too much size and got messed up quick. Yeah, Alfred, for sure. As soon as you make it real, money is less likely to blow the account, Grumpy Grandpa. Yeah, that's a good point. You know, like we were talking about, should someone take the payout or not? After 5 years, I'd take the payout. And then, keep doing what you're doing, right? Just keep trading your edge. But yeah, you gotta make that money real. Once it's in your hand, once it goes in your bank account, you make it real. Treat yourself, buy yourself a pair of shoes, pay some bills. But like someone said, be responsible, pay the credit card. Not financial advice, guys, but yeah, do something like that, right? I took a little nap today, too. Felt good. I needed it after that tilt session last night. You're long 3 micros from 54 and NQ 124. Let's go. Good luck, Nate. How was the gym? I don't have a trim. I did not go to the gym today, Gary. I was tired, but I did go yesterday. Had a good workout at the gym yesterday. I gotta put the fork down. That's my problem. Is my gym buddy trade? No. I don't really have a gym buddy. Occasionally I have a gym buddy. Occasionally I have someone that goes with me, but not every once in a while. I do have the Planet Fitness black card or whatever it's called. Started reading, looking at the VIX when trading NQ. Basically, when VIX pumps, NQ dumps, vice versa. Finding it nice to look at an extra confluences. Yeah, Alex. I mean, that's cool. Yeah. I know a lot of traders that used to look at the VIX. Now a lot of people are looking at Nvidia. They're watching Nvidia as they trading Nasdaq. Market's just pumping, guys. Gold. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold coming down finally. Gold is coming off its all-time highs. Problem is I need to pick the fork up, investors. Yeah, it's that full moon design. Trying to put on 20 pounds? I got some I can give you. Eat light, bed early, meditation in the morning. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to eat lighter. And I do meditate in the morning, every morning. Been doing that for over a decade. Gold continuing to push down. So want to get ready. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join the giveaway. I really appreciate the conversation while the market is just kind of doing its thing. Jalen Washington, thank you so much for the sub. That's pretty cool, Scalp Ripper. You're talking about gold in the Discord. Real gold. Exclamation point pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway, giving away an Apex account. Any size that you want. Get the moose race fired up. So if anyone's asking, I did the silly hat first, not Tyler. Tyler, if you're listening. I see someone giving you a shout out for doing the goofy duck race hat. I did it first. It's all good. Tyler's cool. We're cool. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Please do not be banned from Apex or have a if your country's banned or anything like that. Please do not like try to claim the prize. If you are banned or you can't take the account, then I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to do it again. Because I believe it or not, I do get that a lot, and then people want like PayPal money and stuff, so appreciate it. Let's see. Nice investors. Nice fiber splice. Yeah, I gotta cut. I gotta do some cutting. I mean, I'm a pretty bulky guy, you know. I could put on muscle, but I definitely could do some cutting. Yeah, Apex any size. Yep. Countries restrict. I'm sorry to hear that, 44 puncher. We do some more giveaways throughout the week. You know, we try our best, so. But yeah, Apex was gracious enough to give me some accounts to give away. So we'll be giving away an Apex account pretty much the rest of this week. Maybe into next week, because they are the affiliate person, if they're listening, is awesome to me. You wouldn't believe some of the companies, I don't get treated so well. Alright guys, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. 6:50 Central Time. We will run our close the entries and we'll do the moose race. Yeah, you have to, so I got 2 streams going. So one's on YouTube Shorts, crypto, and one's on the full screen. So it's kind of an experiment. I don't really know as far as, I think it works pretty well as far as getting subs, but I'm not really sure. The views seem to be like kind of back and forth. So I don't know. All right, guys, one more minute. I'm gonna close entries. So nice trades tonight. I didn't overtrade. Sorry, it's like I didn't. After getting tilty last night and and then having a pretty decent New York session, I did not want to really screw it up too bad. But up 117 across these 5 my funded futures evals. These are the scale plans. Take 50% of your payout buffer. So like if you make say $2,000 and you have 5 days of over $100 or more, you can take out $1,000, right? Take out half. So same thing as Top Step, but cheaper. Use code PINE. Make sure you click on the free flex add-on on the scale plan. So I appreciate that. All right, closing entries. Good luck. Get ready for the moose race, guys. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Get Tech T. Oh, by the way, you must be present to win. It's 169 Mises. Must be present to win. Oh, we run it again. JC Trey's on the outside. Buddy coming up from the outside. Ahmed. Here we go. We got Punisher up in there in the middle. We got Trev. Trev out fighting for that first place. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? 5 seconds here. Who's gonna make the run? Cajun LA. Is it gonna be you? Cajun LA. Are you here? You got 20 seconds. No. Cajun LA. Let's go. Cajun LA. Let's go. Congratulations. What's up, Hitchman? So awesome. Cajun LA. You must be from Louisiana, I'm guessing. Show the top 10. All right. Pray for wisdom. Canon Cyber. Batman Cat. Sovereignty. Trading on tilt. Yeah, this is the top. Let's see who finished last. John Walk finished last. Oh no. Hey Mitch, thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate that. John Walk, last place. No. From the deep South Louisiana. I love I've been to New Orleans. I like New Orleans. That's a lot of fun down there. I like Louisiana. I will do a members giveaway tomorrow. I will do one tomorrow. I promise you guys. I'll do a members giveaway tomorrow. We'll do two races tomorrow. Cajun LA. Let's take care of you here. Are you in the Discord by chance? If not, that's perfectly fine. You are in the Discord? Awesome. What's your Discord screen name? Is it? Some people's got different names, but. Great stream tonight, guys. Cajun, awesome. I got you. Sent you a DM. Just take care of this occasion here. All right, Cajun, I sent you a DM on Discord. And just use that code for any size Apex account. So, what's the system? It's called Online Stopwatch. Yes, I am on X, guys. Yeah, if you want to follow me on X, I'd appreciate that. Yeah, I'm on X. Give me a follow. Almost at 1,000 followers on X, so I'm gonna put the link to my X profile right there. Pine Tree Trader. Thank you so much, Mitch, for becoming a member. I really appreciate that, guys. So awesome. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. Good trading. I will not be taking any trades tonight. I will not even turn on the screens. I promise. I'm not gonna do it. Got a nice daily payout coming from Take Profit Trader. Right around $500-600 or so. Please use code PINE for trade day, Apex, Buellanox, Take Profit Trader, of course, but more importantly, My Funded Futures. Get that free Flex add-on scale plan. Use code PINE. Give them a shot. Same thing as Top Step, but cheaper and easier in a way that you only have to make 5 days of $100 or more, and you can withdraw 50% of your profits with no consistency. So I like it. So anyways, guys, Thank you, Alex. Thank you. Good luck on that payout. Oh no, the Yanks. Yeah, I watched that last game, the Yanks Red Sox. It was heartbreaking. Although I'm not that big into baseball, but hey, fair weather fan when the playoffs hit, right? Guys, great stream. Smash that like button on your way out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll do 2 giveaways. We'll do a giveaway for members only, and we'll do a giveaway for the regulars too. So I appreciate it. I'll be back 5:45 Eastern time. Be here. I'm gonna get some food. See you later, guys. Stay tuned for the outro end scene.
Yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily